don't know why, but I've been so excited to film this video. I feel like it's because it's to do with my boyfriend, and it will be his first birthday I've ever celebrated with him. We've been together like 9 months, so yeah, we have a lot of first things to do together still, so that's really exciting. But yeah, I thought I'd document it because cute and just because I'm so excited, and I'm actually really excited to wrap presents. I'm going to put you down here because this is where I'm going to be wrapping the presents. The lighting though, okay, hang on, I still need to talk to you and the lighting's awful, so I ain't going down there yet. To just decorate, I got these little smiley face balloons, they're so cute. I got him a little budget planner. I don't know if he'll use it, but we'll see. I've realised with Ben, like, he works better when he writes things down, like he remembers things more, and he really is trying to budget better and stuff, so this will become helpful. I brought him some American candy, why not? And then I got him a 2-litre water bottle. This holiday, I haven't got him, I meant his birthday, not holiday. Can you tell what's on my mind? Like, I've got him things that are like more useful to him. Because first of all, he keeps using mine when he's here. So we can either keep this here and use this, or like obviously take it home with him. But I love the red on it, that's so cute. And it would probably encourage him to drink more as well. Healthy habits, I'm promoting healthy habits to this man. And then we're going on holiday at the end of this month, so I got him some swim trunks. I love the little orange accents. I don't know if he's actually got any swim trunks, but... And then, like I said earlier, he works better when he writes things down, so I got him a to-do list. And then I also got him this banging perfume. Look at this bottle. Sick. That's so cool. Oh, it smells so good, like I don't even have to open it to smell it. Just put on TikTok like cheap but really nice colognes for men, and it came up like a rip-off version of Creed, so apparently this smells just like the Creed one, but it's a lot cheaper. So I mean, you can't complain. I'm also going to make him a cheesecake as well because he loves cheesecake. I'm going to make a strawberry one. So yeah, I haven't got him very much, but and then like for his birthday we're going to have like a whole day together and go out for a meal and stuff like that as well, so I thought I'd go more useful for this birthday instead of like enjoyable. He'll still enjoy all of this, but it's useful to him, like the to-do list and the budget planner and stuff like that, promoting good habits. I've tried to go off things that he's talked about lately, so he's always talking about like, oh, I need to like make lists of things I need to do so I don't forget to do it. So there you go, to-do list. Yeah, I'm gonna wrap all of this now. I'm so excited. Also I got this bag to put it in. Had the most brilliant day. And then matching wrapping paper. I am such an idiot. I went to the car factory to get these, right? And with all the wrapping paper there was cellophane, and how it was wrapped it looks silver. This matching, I feel like it's a bit obnoxious, so I wanted like silver because the silver's in here. So I got the cellophane thinking it was wrapping paper, and I went to the till and she was like, "Is it cellophane you want?" I was like, what? What are you about? And she was like, "You picked up cellophane, like it's not silver wrapping paper." And I was like, oh, but that's embarrassing. Like, thanks for telling me, otherwise that would have been a bit awkward because it was like clear wrap, you know what I mean? Anyway, and then I got him this card as well. This was probably the best I could find, but look how cute that is. So I'm gonna write a long message in here. Right, it's time to make a cheesecake. I'm so excited. Cheesecakes are so simple to make for me, so this is fun. Yeah, it's a pretty simple recipe actually. Icing sugar, vanilla extract is actually meant to be vanilla essence, but I don't know if they're different or not. Digestive, double cream, soft cheese. I got lactose free because he's lactose intolerant, so the double cream just cancels it out. I tried, guys, but he said he doesn't mind. So, and strawberries. Oh, I need sugar as well. Yeah. He eats like things he shouldn't eat all the time anyway. He's awful. The best thing to do right now is probably use this cocktail thing. Just so I've realised I haven't made enough strawberries for the sauce on top for the jars as well. So I'm going to do a bit in jars and then I'm going to do a layer of lemon cheesecake as well because he also likes that one and it's good. That's the best I can do. These are my like half strawberry, half lemon cheesecake. That's a lot of biscuit. But yeah, I hope these are okay. Oh, that's all done now, so I can just relax for a bit until he says he's on his way. I'm sorry, Cheesy, but you've got to get off my bed. I know. Oh, Cheese. Do you remember that video? I don't know if it's still up, where we got her as a kitten. Look how big she is. It was only a year ago. Well, why do I feel like I don't know how to blow up a balloon? Oh my god, how... Look at you! Oh no, I don't have enough breath for this. Now go try and... Oh, don't pop. Please don't pop on me. Sorry about the noises. Ah, look at him. Okay. What happened to this one? That's like low-key scary. I was just going to do like 5, but then I got a bit carried away. It's just they all need to be looking at him when he walks in. It's in the middle. Oh no! On the table!
I do. Mwah.
Yeah, I thought you'd like the red on it.
Like the what?
The red on it.
Oh yeah. Yeah, red and black is two of my favourite colours.
There you go. Look at that logo on the top. Isn't that like Rip Off Armani?
Yeah. Oh, hello, Sailor.
How fancy is that?
That's very fancy.
I sprayed a little bit on my hand because I needed to know what it smelled like before. And I washed my hands and everything, and it was on my fingers for like a day.
Oh, that's a nighttime smell.
Yeah.
It's a book, but it's not just any book. It feels like a notebook. It's a... Guess what? Genuinely what I need.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Fancy.
A budget book.
Some really cringy stickers in the back as well that comes with it.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Make your money work for you.
I've got something else for you downstairs as well. Can you guess what it is?
Is it cheesecake? Yeah. You f***ing legend.
Half is strawberry and half is lemon. Because I didn't have the strawberry stuff.
That's even better because you did the combo and the strawberry.
Yeah, man.
1 second. Everyone.
Right, I'm going to make an outro now before he gets here. Yeah, I had way too much fun making this video and I absolutely love gifting. I'm even more excited because I know he's going to be excited about it as well. You know what I mean? Like, I just love seeing his reactions to things. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment and subscribe to see more of me. Thank you very much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!